Politeness prevails. Might, in passive voice for suggestions. Hello everyone and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are focusing on a very specific but useful topic. Using might in passive voice for polite suggestions. You may be wondering, why do we need to know this? Well, it's simple. Being able to make polite suggestions is a key part of smooth communication in English, and it's especially useful in formal or professional situations. Let's get started. Before diving into our main topic, let's quickly recap. Might is a modal verb often used to indicate possibility, and the passive voice is a way of structuring sentences where the focus is on the action, not who's doing it. So, when we talk about using might in the passive voice, we're looking at sentences where the possible action is the star of the show. For example, the project might be completed by next week. Now let's move on to the heart of today's topic. When we want to make a polite suggestion, using might in the passive voice is an effective strategy. It softens the tone and makes our suggestion sound more like a possibility than a direct instruction. For example, if you say, "The dishes could be washed," it might sound a bit abrupt. But if you say, "The dishes might be washed," it sounds much more polite and less direct. Here, the speaker doesn't directly say who should wash the dishes, making it a less direct and therefore more polite suggestion. Understanding the concept is one thing, but it's practice that makes perfect. Here are some examples. 1. Direct statement. You should bring a jacket. Polite suggestion. A jacket might be brought. 2. Direct statement. We need to finish the report. Polite suggestion. The report might be finished. 3. Direct statement. Someone needs to clean the kitchen. Polite suggestion. The kitchen might be cleaned. Try to come up with some of your own examples. And there we have it, folks. That's how you use might in the passive voice for polite suggestions. It's a subtle but powerful tool for making your English more polite and nuanced. Remember, the key is to focus on the action, not who's doing it. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and see you next time.